Quick diagnostic. How many times today did you pick up your phone without deciding to? That's not a habit. That's a hijacking. And if you can't control that, you can't control the next 90 days. It's not that you're undisciplined. You're being programmed. And the programming is working. Because if it wasn't, you'd be free, focused, dangerous. Instead, you're living with what I call the low grade drag. Fog at 2 p.m., short fuse, calendar that screams, see, and a life that whispers stalled. That's not a character flaw. It's a pattern. And patterns, they can be interrupted. Right now, I'm handing you a protocol for the one thing you've never been taught to manage on purpose: access. Here's the thesis: your attention is worth billions. Every platform, every algorithm, every notification is designed by PhDs to monetize your focus. You're not weak. You're playing against a stacked deck without knowing the rules. You're drowning in excess while starving for access. More content than you can ever consume, but no access to the one room, the one person, the one resource that moves your next 90 days. More information, less implementation. More noise, no doors. Access, not excess. Now, here's the kicker: if you don't fight back, you don't lose dramatically. You just drift slowly, quietly, until one day you realize you never had a discipline problem. You had an access problem in a culture of excess. Attention is power. It's the steering wheel of your entire life. But here's what most self-help books leave out: the power source matters. Some of you have been running on self-strength. You've had some streaks, those glorious Mondays when you thought, yeah, this is it. But self-strength is a battery. It spikes, it drains, it crashes. Source strength, that's different though. Source strength is plugged in. Steady torque, clean execution. Now here's what you need to know: you're not the engine, you're the transmission, which means your job is to transfer torque from the source to the ground. When you're running on battery, discipline feels like punishment. When you're plugged into source, discipline feels like alignment. Your life moves at the speed of your access. Access is your highest leverage multiplier. And if you can get access and convert it, boy, access, opportunity, conversion. That's the formula. I'll promise you something practical. So this is the installation. ACTS, ACTS, your access training system. A, align. C, condition. T, take control. S, stand and deliver. ACTS isn't a to-do list. It's a kill chain. Align locks the target. Condition fortifies the vessel. Take control closes the leaks. Stand and deliver converts access into outcomes. You miss one step, the whole thing falls apart. Align means to reconnect to source strength and lock it in on the access that matters. Not think about your goals, lock in. One target for the next 90 days. One no that protects it. One daily ritual to reconnect. Something short, consistent, and non-negotiable. Run this question: I'm stuck at X ceiling because I lack access to Y. Name the Y: a mentor, a market, a skill set, a room, a resource. If you start your day plugged into noise, scrolling, reacting, don't act surprised when your life is noisy. Start plugged into source. Start your day plugged into the source. Aim at a specific access point and then show up with authority. Condition means fortify your vessel as performance infrastructure. A compromised body is a compromised business plan. A chaotic environment is a tax on your execution. Defend sleep like revenue. Build capacity through movement. Remove friction with order. Go to bed clean and prepped. Judgment, meaning, and emotions left behind. This is how you prepare for access the next day. Because when access shows up, a callback, a contract, you need a vessel that can hold that opportunity. Take control means close the leaks that keep you trained for excess instead of access. Not reduce them, close them, shut them down. 5 leaks. Tonight level actions. First leak: phone. No phone for the first 30 minutes of your day or for the last 30 minutes of your day. Notifications off except for humans, the ones that are closest to you. Lust: it rewires your appetite, steals your focus. Remove the triggers. Replace that urge with load, push-ups, cold shower, anything to break the loop. Fuel: if you put it in your body and it spikes you, crashes you, fogs you, it's not fuel, it's a leash. Money: put a 7-day freeze on impulse buys. Write it down before you buy it. Chaos: the bullshit, the crazy train, the shit show. 30 minutes before you hit the sack, you reset. Make sure tomorrow is prepped and ready to go. Make sure your space is clean. Pick one leak, close it tonight, build from there. You close excess so that you can pursue access. Stand and deliver means execute daily and adjust without abandoning it. One deliverable a day, one hard conversation a week, one evaluation per month. Remember: access, opportunity, conversion. Stand and deliver is the conversion piece. And if you're waiting for the confidence to show up, let me tell you something. Confidence is a byproduct of standing and delivering. You don't wait for confidence, you build confidence. Drift isn't one big betrayal. Drift is 1,000 tiny negotiations. I'll start tomorrow. I deserve this. I'll just scroll for another minute. And here's what nobody tells you. Every negotiation you make with drift wins. Not dramatically, quietly. Until one day you're 50, successful on paper, and hollow, empty on the inside. So here's the move. Stop negotiating. Run acts. Align. Name the access you need right now. Condition. Fortify your vessel. Take control. Shut down those leaks. Stand and deliver. Convert access into outcomes. Now, right now, pick one leak that you're closing. Phone, lust, fuel, money, chaos. Write it down. Now finish this sentence. In 90 days, I will achieve X by accessing Y. This is your contract. Drift dies when a decision appears. Access dies when you name the access that matters. I'm not here to inspire you. I'm here to install what you need inside of you. Go get access. And when you get it, share it.